ब्राझीलच्या काउन्सिल जनरलान शेनवारा पणजे महापालिकेची भेट घेतली। कार्निवल सिजनात एक दिसाची गोंय ब्राझील इश्टागत उत्सव आयोजित करूं येता। तशेंच ब्राझील पणजे एकठांय येवन पुर्तुगाल कॉलोनियल सिटी बांदपाक वावर करपाक शकता अशे कांय मुद्द्यांचेर चर्चा जाली। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान निलेश परवार।
It's an honor and pleasure for the Corporation City of Panjim to welcome the Consul General of Brazil to our capital city. We have discussed at length what twinning city CCP, Panjim and Brazil could do. I will give you all the write-up, and Madam has also agreed that she will speak to the government. I have also assured the Consul General that the moment our building is up in 2.5 years, like other consuls which I have promised 100 square meters of office, I will also offer to the Brazil embassy, so that our students who want to go to learn abroad, do the engineering or whatever faculty they have in Brazil, could make it easier if they have their center in CCP building, and also the flag of Brazil and in India and CCP in the middle flying every day. Same thing like Canada and Norway and US. This is my dream, that I bring all these countries under one roof. Something fruitful will come out of this.
I'm very happy to be here in Goa. As I insist to say, I feel very much at home here. There are lots of, there is a lot of scope for synergy between Goa and many different cities in Brazil. Some of them, like Salvador in the state of Bahia, has historical roots with Goa that goes back to the time, to the 1600s. And so that is, as the mayor told to me, this proposal of twinning, Panjim with a Brazilian city, maybe Curitiba, it's a very good idea that we are going to see, how we could eventually carry it forward. Carnival in next February 2018, one Brazilian samba school chose India to be the theme of their parade. So they named it Namaste, and the festival, all their parades, it means the floats, the costumes, the lyrics of the samba, everything will pay homage to India. So if you know, and that's a very good reason for you to visit Brazil, to be there, during Carnival.